Somebody's hiding, drowning my icebox. Somebody's cold one is giving me chills. Guess I'll just close my eyes. Oh yeah, alright. Feels good inside. Saying so, your love is a heartbreaker. Saying so, my drug is a life taker. Didare, I write you in spite of his silence. I've cleaned up, found Jesus, things are good, or so I hear. This bottle of Stevens invites the ancient feeling. Hey guys, I'm Vasco and today we're taking a look at Say It Ain't So by Weezer. I'll show you how to do it in the original key, but we'll do it on a low G string ukulele, and for this arrangement it's kind of necessary to have a low G string. If you don't have a low G string, you can at least learn the chords with this tutorial, but the little things that I'll show you here, some picks and other stuff, will not really sound that good. So grab your low G and let's go. Okay, first let's see the chord progression. It starts with C minor to G, and then to A flat, but I'm grabbing it like this and I'm muting the A string with the pinky. Just the pinky is on top of the string, not really pressing. All right? And then we have E flat. And again, I'm avoiding the A string on this chord. So I can grab it like this, I can also grab it like this, just trying to not play the A string, or, you know, it's muted like this from the ring finger. The strumming is something like down, up, down, up. So on the first chord, down, up, and then changing to G, down, up, and then on the next two chords, again the same thing, down, up, down, up. What was it? Oh yeah. Somebody's hiding, drowning in my icebox. Somebody's cold one is giving me chills. Guess I'll just close my eyes. Oh yeah. Okay, let me show you this little, it's a little fingerstyle element that I'm adding here on these four chords. I'm coming a little bit closer to explain it to you. Okay, so we start from C minor, but I'm actually sliding from B minor to C minor like this. And then one up strum. And I'm trying to cut it with this up strum, not to let it sound like this, but all right. And then we go to G, one down strum, and after that we do this. All right? So we strum it, and then from the top string to the bottom string. And the moment you hit the bottom string, you slide the middle finger down to the first fret, okay? Okay, and then I play the G string, and really quickly a hammer on, and then grabbing the A flat and strumming the C and E string, and then E flat, and here I'm doing this slide from the G string 3rd to 5th fret. Then I remove the ring finger and play the C and E string on the 3rd fret, and we repeat it. So I'm not doing this fingerstyle element throughout the whole song. When I'm doing the verses, I'm actually just strumming with the strumming pattern that I explained to you. But when we have the quieter parts, I'm doing it. Oh yeah, alright, feels good inside. Okay, and after the second verse, we go to the chorus, which is with the same chords, but I'm changing the strumming a little bit. I'm doing down, down, okay? Say it ain't so, and just the E flat comes a little bit earlier. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and, okay? So your love is a heartbreak. No. Your drug is a heartbreaker. Say it ain't so. My love is a life taker. And again. And after that we have the bridge, which starts from B flat. And again we are doing the same strumming pattern as the chorus. And then we have again B flat but over A. Okay? Then E flat, and then F sharp. Okay? Be Father, I write you, in spite of years of silence. I've cleaned up, found Jesus, things are good, oh so I hear. This bottle of Stevens, nation feeling like Father, stepfather, better. And you get back to this. I think this is element from the solo, I'm not sure. Say it ain't so. And pretty much this sums up my tutorial for Say It Ain't So. It's a pretty cool song, especially this. Really nice how it goes from G major to the minor a little bit. So yeah, learn it. I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you. And if you have the printable in front of you, it will probably be easier. You can get it from the link in the description. Thank you for watching this. Thank you for supporting me, for hitting the like button, for subscribing and everything. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Say so.